Good morning, everyone. It's Jim from Finn's Frog Farm. Katie and I were down collecting dart frog eggs this morning. We thought we'd share that process or part of that process with you. Probably be a couple stage video on how we do it and what the process looks like. Right here we have our eggs that we collected this morning. As you can see, they're in petri dishes, and what we do is we label them, and some of them are pretty obvious to us anyway, where you see PAT, that stands for Patricia Dendrobates tinctorius Patricia, and then you'll see one that says CB, that's for cobalt. Anyways, we have our own labeling system, and then we date them when they come out, so we know which day we pulled them and how far they should be in their development. Sometimes we find them in different stages of development. These are Atlantis eggs that we pulled this morning, and they're a great example of a healthy clutch of eggs. And we know that those eggs were probably just laid in the last couple days. And then we have, I'll show you an example of where you can get a clutch that doesn't necessarily have all good eggs in it. See those two eggs right there? They're not solid colored black. They're just colored gray, white, yellowish. Those are bad eggs. But if you look right next to it, there is one of their clutch mates that actually survived, and it looks like it's going to be a viable egg that will transition into a tadpole. What we'll do next with these eggs is we'll take them and put them in, we call it an incubator, but we put it in a sealed tub, and we keep them in there until they're ready to be dropped. Katie's showing you right now some eggs that we found that are much further in their development. They're almost straightening out into tadpoles. They probably have a few more days to go, and what will happen is they'll straighten out and break from that egg sac, and then we will drop them into water. We'll make another video on how we transition them into water. Thank you. Tune in next time for more fun frog facts.